What's up guys, Tony with HID Express here, bringing you some new content where we're installing our GTR lighting LED kits on this beautiful 2021 Ford F150. We're gonna walk you through the process from beginning to end of how to install them on the low beams and the fog lights, and it should be a relatively easy process. So follow along as we install it on this truck. Let us know if you have any questions. Feel free to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching. So to get to the low beam, you will have to actually pull this rubber grommet off. Just use the tabs here to pull it out. And you'll see the bulb in there. It's an H11 bulb. Just unplug it and turn the bulb counterclockwise, and it'll come right out. Now on this particular harness, the factory harness, it does have two black wires, so you're gonna have to figure out which one's the power and the ground. What? Let's go ahead and put the bulb in first. So the easiest way to find a hole and to make sure the bulb is turning correctly and sitting the way you want it to sit, is just kind of take a look from the front of the headlight, and this way you're able to turn that bulb in there. So once you've located that ground, you can go ahead and plug in your harness. Put in this rubber grommet back. Put this rubber grommet back on. Your job is done for the low beams. And just make sure that you're putting your wires back in here, so that when you put that rubber grommet in, you can seal up properly. So for my folks concerned about warranty issues, installing these LEDs will not void your warranty. However, I recommend that when you install this rubber sealing, this rubber dust cap, you make sure that it sits the exact same way that it sat prior to you starting the job. Because any moisture that gets in your headlight after doing this job, that will definitely not be covered on a warranty. So you want to make sure that you put this back in, make sure that all the corners are sealed up properly, and you should actually hear an audible click that'll let you know that the whole thing is in. It's not going to be very loud, but you can hear it and you can feel it. And this one, as you can see, is sitting properly. Installing the fog lights is pretty easy. Just go ahead and unplug this. Turn your bulb counterclockwise, similar to the headlight main beam, and pull it out. That's it. On the fog light, the power wire is the blue wire, and the ground is the black wire. So we're pretty much done on the driver's side. So we're gonna go ahead and start working on the passenger side, which is basically the same process. All right guys, so we finished up with the truck. The one thing that you want to do on these newer vehicles is to make sure that everything comes on. You don't have any error codes, any issues. In this particular case, we disabled the daytime running lights through the car's onboard system. However, we also wanted to check that the DRLs can work or can function as well without any flickering or issues as well, just in case the customer wanted to turn them back on, and everything is a-okay.